Now, what I've done with this example here is I put it in a do while loop. Now, what you'll notice at the bottom, it says while the movement is not H or not D. All right, I just used H or D in this example. Now, I've set up my string movement as blank to begin with, and it says do, it's going to ask them, if you want to go home, press H. If you want to go through the door, press D. And it reads that line, but it says here, if the movement is H, go to the home method, which I've created down here. If the movement is D, go to the door method. But if it doesn't recognize it, it's going to keep saying try again. Now, you'll notice the Boolean operators that we've talked about in previous lesson, that is an OR operator. And you can find that next to the Shift key or next to the Z key. So when you press that twice, it means that condition or that condition. That's saying while it's not true, keep asking. All right. And then here's your methods down here. So I'll run this example. And you'll see it stays in an eternal loop. So you don't need to use the do while loop, but it's just an example of how you could start to embed it. So if I put in a B, it says it doesn't exist. All right. If I put in a C, it says it doesn't exist. But if I put in a H, it says you're home. All right. Now that's still inside that do while loop. But if you've done it right, you could start a new loop inside the door method and then you could set up the string movement as blank again and start over. All right. That's if you really want to improve your coding and try something a bit more difficult. All right. So that's an example. Don't forget, do not delete those at the bottom of your screen.